So here we are at the Angel Corbin invitation. I'll tell you what, it's been a pretty cracking night, Nick. How's your night been going?
And, look, I'll tell you what, as I said before, mate, it's been a long week coming. It's been going all week, we've been building up, but look, we've hit the climax.
I tell you what, there's been a few contenders for the MVP for Corbin of the Year, and I'll tell you what, there's been, it's not even a top two really, is it?
Mate,
there's only been one standout, but we can't give it to him yet.
Look, I'll tell you what, you know, we can bring up that we've labelled him the Green Goblin for the night. We've labelled him the Green Goblin, because I tell you what, he is the baddest man in there at the moment.
Well, the Green Goblin, we won't use names.
No, we won't.
Why not? Cheryl Sneeze. Choicey. Yeah, no, look, he's out of control. He's out of control.
Mate, early days, yeah.
It's actually early days because at this stage, the way it's looking, Mitch, there could be an early suspension.
Mate, I'll tell you what.
Philip is on the brown. He's not happy.
You're bloody right. Look, I tell you what, we're hitting the final round. We could see an ineligible coming up.
We could see an early injection. An early rejection. Nah, I'm gonna step up. That's it. I'm gonna step up. I want to get the award. What do I have to do to get it?
Mate, I'll tell you what, you're going to take a leaf out of Jesus over here. He walks on water. I mean, he walks on tables.
He walked on tables. How the hell did he get away with that?
Yeah, mate.
Cut the camera. That was wrong.